Welcome to Junglish, and thank you for watching this channel. If you like my videos, please subscribe and good. Now let's get started. Today, we are going to learn about two special types of sounds in Japanese: voiced sounds and semi-voiced sounds. These sounds change the way words are pronounced and sometimes even the meaning of the word. Let's start with voiced sounds, which are called dakuten in Japanese. Voiced sounds are created by adding a small mark called dakuten to certain kana. This mark looks like two small quotation marks. For example, if you add dakuten to ka, it becomes ka. The sound changes from unvoiced k to voiced g. In the same way, if you add dakuten to ta, it becomes da. The sound changes from unvoiced t to voiced d. Now, let's look at some examples where just adding a dakuten changes the meaning. The first word, nishi, means west and has no dakuten. The second word, niji, means rainbow. Notice that when we add the dakuten to the second character, shi, it becomes chi, changing the meaning from west to rainbow. The same change happens in the following pair. The third word, saru, means monkey. The fourth word, zaru, means trainer. As you can see, adding a dakuten changes the meaning entirely. These unvoiced sounds become voiced sounds by adding a dakuten. Next, we have semi-voiced sounds, which are called handakuon in Japanese. Semi-voiced sounds are a little different. Instead of the dakuten mark, we use a small circle called the handakuten. This circle is added only to the H-row kana. So when you add the handakuten to ha, hi, hu, he, ho, you got ha, hi, hu, he, ho. The sound changes from an unvoiced H sound to a semi-voiced P sound. Now, let's practice pronouncing. The first one is dakuten of kakikuke ko. Ga, gi, gu, ge, go. Ga, gi, gu, ge, go. Next is the dakuten of sashi, su, se, so. Za, ji, zu, ze, zo. Za, ji, zu, ze, zo. Then the dakuten of tachitsu teto. In modern Japanese, the dakuten of shi and the dakuten of chi, as well as the dakuten of su and the dakuten of tsu, are pronounced the same. However, they are spelled differently depending on the word, so it's important to memorize the correct spelling. However, in most cases, we use each of these. Now let's pronounce. Da, ji, zu, de, do. Da, ji, zu, de, do. Next is the dakuten of ha, hi, hu, he, ho. Ba, bi, bu, be, bo. Ba, bi, bu, be, bo. And finally, the handakuten of ha, hi, hu, he, ho. Pa, pi, pu, pe, ほぱひふへほ Now it's time for quiz. There is 10 questions. In the quiz, one letter in each word is hidden. Try to answer whether the missing letter is an unvoiced sound, a voiced sound, or a same voiced sound. Okay, now question 1. 時間時間時間時間 Question 2. グミグミグミグミ Question 3. かかかか Question 4. パンツパンツパンツパンツ Question 5. バラバラバラバラ Question 6. 柿柿柿柿 Question 7. ごまごまごまごま Question 8. 電話電話電話電話 Question 9. プリンプリンプリンプリン Question 10. 四季四季四季四季 Good job! お疲れ様でした。See you in the next video. Bye bye.